Hi, I'm the hippie chick. My name is Billy D'Addario, and today we're going to make this cute little box. Its finished measurements are pretty small. It measures 1.5 by 2.25 by 1.5. So let's get started, okay? We're going to start by scoring. And you need a piece of paper that measures 4 7/8 by 4.25. And my squeaky chair. And you need to score on the long side at, excuse me, 5/8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8, and 1.25, and 3 5/8, 5/8, and 4.25. And then on the short side, you need to measure at, or score at 5/8, and 1 7/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2.5, and 3 3/4. Okay. I hope that was in shot. I apologize if it wasn't. So anyway, here is the score pattern, okay? And then you just, let's fold it up and burnish it. Okay, and it'll just fold up like this. And then the ends will tuck in. Okay? So let's start by cutting these 4 sections right here on each side here away. Pass the first score line up to the second score line. And then pass the first score line up to the second score line. And then on the other side, pass the first score line up to the second score line. Pass the first score line up to the second score line. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to cut up these score lines right here on each side. Okay? This box is great. It's meant to hold like a Hershey's mini candy bar. It's really small. You could put in there a love note. You could put in there a piece of jewelry. You could put in there individual pieces of candy. It's just a very wonderfully cute box. It'd be perfect for table favors or at a wedding type of situation. But I just thought it would be a different type of box to make for today. So, and let me show you when you open it up. Oops, my pearls fell off. See? And we're going to cut away this section here and this section here on each side here. And we're going to cut away this section here. Oh, bananas and ice cream. Okay. We're going to cut away all of these sections, as a matter of fact. Okay. Put some red line tape along the small tabs. Holy bananas. And make sure that it gets pressed down tightly so that way it's easy to take off the red backing. Then we're gonna round these corners right here. And then it just tucks in like this. Okay, and then I want to put a butterfly stamp on it. There we go. Pinch the wings up a little bit. And then we'll get a couple pearls to put in this body. Get the flow started and then it's easier to put a dab on there. There we go. 2 beautiful boxes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box below. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And I hope you'll consider subscribing to this channel so that way you won't miss any future videos. Don't forget to click the little bell thing so that way it'll alert you of future videos. If you have, and again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the box below. Bye. See you till next time.